Do you ever find yourself knowing what to do, but just not able to get to doing it? In order to understand why this happens, is to understand the theory of activation energy. In chemistry, activation energy is the term used to describe the phenomena that a tremendous amount of energy is needed in order to have any chemical reaction. Then after this initial spark, a lot less energy is needed to keep it going. Activation energy applies to human behavior too. Not having activation energy can be the reason why it becomes so hard to get going, even to make that phone call or go to the gym or to just get out of the bed. Sometimes we need to create that spark which will help us keep going. So how does one create that spark? So the best strategy to create that spark that help you take the first step towards anything is to have 5-second rule. Our brain is wired to avoid risk and fear change. So the moment you wait for more than 5 seconds, the brain starts telling you not to do things. When the thought comes to start doing anything or take any action, the brain starts reacting. It starts to talk you out of it. It starts to give you the reason why you should not be doing it, what risks are involved, and why it is not important, and just the simple feeling that you don't feel like doing it. So unless that particular task is 100% pleasurable, and in most cases what is not possible, nothing is 100% pleasurable to do. So our mind also tells us that this is not important to do at this time, and we believe in that, and we start thinking, yes, okay, we can delay it for some other time, or we can do it later. So the best thing is to act upon anything which you just think of doing is within 5 seconds. If you think of calling someone, take action, dial the number immediately, call that person. If you want to go to the gym, just get up and get ready. If you take time, then you will not be able to do it, because your mind will tell you this is not the right time to do it. So take action within 5 seconds, get up and get going. Don't be lazy. Keep doing things you like to do. God bless us all.